Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can select certain widgets to be displayed on your iPhone home screen. So go to settings, select home screen, select wallpaper, select customize on the lock screen, then select add widgets. I'm just going to add in, for instance, battery and the weather as well here, and I'm going to add in maybe like the calendar or this again. I like to add I like to see what's the temperature currently, so I like to add that. Once you're done, you're just going to hit the done section and you'll have that on your phone screen. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.